Hi there, Gretchen here from Shaker Library. Origami is the Japanese art of paper folding, which is fun, meditative, and a great way to develop your spatial thinking abilities. My daughter and I teamed up to create this presentation for an easy paper star project. Let's get started. Here is a completed paper star that my daughter made in about 10 minutes. These are beautiful for decorating windows, using as bookmarks, decorating trees, or just giving as a gift with a birthday card. You'll need 8 standard size sticky notes, and it's nice if you have at least 2 different colors. To begin, fold your sticky note down the middle, sticky sides together, and unfold. Then, fold down the corner tips so they meet along the center line. Take your time, don't rush it. It's helpful if everything lines up. Now we're going to fold along the diagonal. Take the point at the top and lay it where the side of one of the corner folds meets the rest of the paper. Line up the bend in the paper that this creates with the opposite bottom corner. Press down to create a crease and then unfold. Do the same thing on the other side. Open that out as well. Does it look like the photo at the bottom? Flip the piece of paper over and pinch the bottom corners together, pushing the paper in between downwards. The entire piece of paper should collapse inwards along the fold lines you made in previous steps. Fold it flat. When viewed from the side, the piece of paper should now look like a parallelogram. Repeat all these steps with the other 7 sticky notes. You may want to hit pause as this can take a while. Remember, take your time and enjoy the process. You're doing great. Now it's time to join 2 pieces together. Place the nose of one parallelogram between the 2 corners of another and fold the corner tips around the first. Fold flat. You should have 4 joined pieces, each made up of 2 parallelograms. We're going to join them all together the same way we did the first 2. Take the nose of one and place it between the 2 corners of another, folding the 2 corner tips around the first. Where you fold them looks a little different than it did when you were working with just 2, but you should be able to tuck them in there. Make sure you are joining everything such that they are going together in an octagonal fashion, like the picture. The hardest part will be joining together the very last pieces, as you'll notice everything wants to shift around a bit. This is a good sign, but try to keep it looking like the picture until you have everything joined. Tucking in all those tails allows your pieces to slide inwards. Push 2 on opposite sides all the way in and then do the others. You'll see the points of the star magically emerging as you do this. Congratulations! Your first origami paper star. I hope you enjoyed making this project with us. If you want to learn more, please visit our library's online digital catalog where you'll find many ebooks on origami and Hoopla. Happy folding!